improve your art fast with balance. So I'm an artist. I've been drawing for like a 1.5 year already, and I've made a decent progress. So I just want to share the things that I know so we can make more progress faster and easier. So what you'll learn today. So the first thing will be you'll learn why you need balance, okay? I'll explain my methods for achieving balance, okay? And then I'll also give you some tips for it. So with this, you'll basically get faster and better with less work progress in your art. And also you won't get burnout anymore. And also you'll have much more fun while practicing and just drawing for fun. So if you're serious about improving your art, what you can do is top link in the description below. You can join my school or private coaching and much more. So yeah, first let's start with the importance of balance in your art. So in the beginning, while I was drawing for fun, but then I realized that my drawings are garbage and I really hated how they would look. So I came up with this beautiful idea that I will practice every day and I will only practice. And it took me really long time to actually understand what I did wrong and that you can really only practice. And it was like to the point that I even really thinking about like not drawing anymore, because what's the point of practice, only practice, when I didn't even make progress? And you can probably relate to the feeling where you draw, okay, you make a piece and it's garbage and now you want to practice, but you also don't want to practice and then you feel all those emotions. But luckily after like 9 months or 8 months, I finally realized what I should do, that there is no point in only practice because I almost burn out. So why have balance, okay? So this is you right now. I know what you're typing, okay? So you're typing like that obviously only practicing should be like good for your improvement, right? No, but also like, can you just draw for fun and not practice? I mean, you can if you're not serious in improving your art, okay? Because if you're serious in improving, you'll need balance, okay? You need balance. So you won't burn out and also you'll make progress. And also with that, you won't actually quit art again, probably, as I did. So yeah, now let's go to the things that what you'll get from practice. And what it is you will improve your technical skills, okay? So you will draw better, okay? It will also help you with your muscle memory, okay? So now you're able to actually put the stroke where you want it to actually be. So you can now make your straight lines, okay? You will know how to draw a muscle. Also, you get much faster. That's what I realized after doing practices, that I'm becoming much faster. So like first time an eye would take me like 6 minutes, okay? And then I would draw the same eye even better in 3 minutes or even 2. And also, if you improve your skills, it will boost your confidence in art. And now you'll start actually liking your art because you will be better with practices, okay? And now, on the opposite thing, we have drawing for fun, and it's just good for your mental health, okay? With that, you won't really quit. And also, a little bit, you will improve, okay? It's not like you ain't gonna improve at all, but it depends on what you draw, okay? And how much of a comfort zone you are living. So it also helps you with keeping your passion. So, you know, with drawing just for fun, drawing the stuff you actually want, you won't burn out, because why would you? And also with that, you can express yourself, because now you're not drawing like, you know, a muscle, you're drawing what you actually want. So, and you have a freedom of, you know, expression, exploration and stuff. So you can go and explore different art styles and, you know, whatever you want. But, you know, we would like not only get one, but, you know, both of them. And to be honest, if you just focus on one, you won't get any of that. So you need to have balance between those two. Because if you only practice, then you will soon have really bad mental health and you will drop art, and also you won't improve as much. Because I did only practice for 9 months and I didn't really improve. It only started when I combined it with drawing for fun. So yeah, that's the tip. But now, how to actually have balance, okay? So for me, there is one method that at the beginning of the year or at the end of the last year, I've found it. So I saw it in a website called Drawbox, I think. And it's basically a 50-50. So you divide your drawing time with your studies 50-50. So those are both equal time blocks, okay? Basically, it is how much you put in one thing, you put the same amount into other thing. So let's say you practice for 1 hour, so then you will draw for yourself 1 hour, okay? And to be honest, I recommend putting practice first instead of drawing for fun, because it's like an eating a frog, okay? Because obviously you rather draw for fun instead of practicing. So to be honest, if you first draw for fun, then you'll have this thought that you gonna suffer in a second because you have to practice. And if you do that first, then you just, it's done and now you have fun drawing. And yeah, if you combine those two, okay, you'll actually get those buffs of both of them, okay? So that's OP. Also, what can you do instead of in the same day putting like, you know, equal parts of the time, going 50-50, what you can do is you can divide days, weeks. So in one day you'll draw for fun and the other you'll practice. But it's mostly if you don't have much time. So if you like, I don't know, draw 1 hour a day, so then instead of 30 minutes of practice, 30 minutes of drawing for fun, you just go one day that and the other day other. And yeah, also another tip is at the end of the day, just plan the thing that you want to draw tomorrow or you want to practice tomorrow. So you avoid a lot of, you know, wasting time, a lot of mind fatigue, and you will also avoid a lot of your excuses. So you will actually start drawing, because maybe you're like me, and if I didn't know what to draw, I just didn't bother drawing at all. I would sit and still do nothing because I don't really know what to draw and it's waste of time. So yeah, plan what you're gonna do tomorrow. And also you can do that with the drawing for fun. You can also have a plan for it. So what you're gonna draw. So for me, I have a schedule. So I'm making this a habit, drawing every day. So in every day at basically the same time, I just draw, okay? And also I have a to-draw list. So it's a list of checkbox, okay? And with every checkbox, there's a character I want to draw. And when I have to draw, for me, whatever I want, I just look at it and just pick the top one, okay? And if I finish this art, this piece, I just check the box and go to the next one. And it saves a lot of time and gives me a lot of motivation, because now I don't have this excuse that I don't have to really draw because I don't know what to. Now I know. So schedule when you'll be practicing and when you'll be drawing for yourself. Also remember to have fun, okay? So you can do a lot of fun things, like going and exploring what you like, maybe studying artists that you like. So I like doing this. So whenever I practice, I also practice other artists, okay? I don't just draw from reference, but from like real artists to, you know, learn about my art style and discover like more ways to draw. Also, there are a lot of challenges. So for example, I do a challenge where each week I practice a specific thing. So recently it was noses, then mouths, eyes, and next one I will do faces, okay? So it's also a good way to practice and a fun one, because it's actually fun to every day spend 1 hour to practice. Also I do time practice, okay? So I combine that with the weekly challenges, okay? And you can go on TikTok and see a lot of art challenges you can do, you know, and you can even make a Wheel of Fortune, like type prompts and spin the wheels to get, you know, your prompts, what you'll be drawing, and that's also fun. With being fun, you will become also productive. So yeah, that's a quick video, okay? That's all the things that I do to actually balance. So I go 50-50 on studying and drawing for myself, for fun, to not burn out, but also to get, you know, the motivation, all the stuff, all the buffs that go with those two. So if you're serious about actually improving your art, you know, you can join my school community, where now I'm doing a pre-sale. So probably like the price is a little bit lower than it will be like in a month, okay? And also what you can get from that is coaching one-on-one, and I plan to do courses, okay? And here you have all the things that I will give you, okay? And this is my progress in just like 10 months, okay? And I'll help you with achieving that much of progress, even more, even easier, faster. So top link in the description below and you'll be this buff frog. And yeah, that's it. So if you learned something, if you enjoyed this video, maybe if you like this kind of style now that I won't be doing 2 weeks because I'm on a trip somewhere, just let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, if you enjoy this, you know, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next. So now you can go and practice or draw for fun, and remember to put the same amount of hours into the other. So yeah, go draw and don't waste much time on YouTube.